I'm nowhere near this faucet. Well, I'm at the toilet here, but it's dripping. I don't know why it's dripping. I don't know if it's the faucet, the cartridge, the diverter valve, the handle, the location of the tub faucet. Here's how much water that has come out since Will from AM/PM Plumbing left. I don't know if this can be heard. Again, I do not know why this is dripping. I do have the electrical for the camera, the power adapter on the toilet seat. So maybe the weight of that is causing the faucet to drip. I really do not know. I'm running out of ideas.